Hello, everyone. Here we are to present about Leslie Brinkman at Versace Capital. So let's quickly get into the case overview. So this case outlines a series of critical challenges faced by the hedge fund firm, where Vasushya Capital, under the leadership of its founder and CEO. So the key problems identified in the case include investment performance, increased operational stress due to rapid expansion with an ineffective organizational design, and leadership struggles in maintaining team morale and efficiency as well. So these issues specifically impacted the firm's financial stability, where the investors' confidence and internal work culture, presenting Brinkman with a urgent task of diagnosing and resolving the underlying problems. One of the foremost concerns was the decline in the investment performance after an impressive demand of 21% gain in 2004. The firm suffered a 6% loss in early 2005, while the S&P 500 index dropped only 2%. So this underperformance raised alarm among investors, leading to concerned and at times aggressive inquiries about the firm's strategy and stability too. So the potential for investor redemptions posted a significant financial risk, threatening the firm's long-term stability and their sustainability too. Another major challenge was the strain caused by a rapid growth of assets under management from its inspection of 2003 to where it had 115 million dollars. The firm's AUM exceeded $1 billion by the end of 2004. So this expansion placed an immense workload on the relatively small team, which struggled to keep up with the increasing number of long and short term positions. So the pressure of managing a growing portfolio, coupled with insufficient resources and experience among staff members, so this led to burnout and potential lapse in decision making. So the impact of these problems was far-reaching. The firm faced the risk of investor withdrawals, potential staff turnover, and declining confidence in its ability to sustain high-performance result. So Brinkman found herself at a crossroads where there was a need to reassess the firm's investment strategy, team structure, and leadership approach to ensure its survival and future success. So, this case study provides an opportunity to analyze the challenges of managing a fast growing financial firm and the importance of adaptive leadership and the necessity of balancing performance pressure with a sustainable work environment. Moving on to the next topic.
Hi everyone, I'm going to present Leslie's leadership style and key decisions have significantly shaped the team's working environment and overall performance. Starting with key decisions, Leslie is focused on building a small but highly scaled team, ensuring the business maintain a strong client focus by prioritizing high-value client relationships. Growth was controlled and strategic, aiming to maintain quality rather than expanding too quickly. In terms of leadership, Leslie adopted a hands-on approach with minimal delegation, staying closely involved in daily operations. Looking at leadership style and culture, Leslie's approach is authoritative, placing a strong emphasis on performance and client satisfaction. However, this has created a high pressure environment where work is often individualistic rather than collaborative. There are limited opportunities for team interactions and feedback, and decision making tends to be reactive, which is driven by the immediate needs of clients rather than long term planning. These decisions and leadership traits have led to several challenges. Team dynamics have been affected, with high stress and low morale becoming common issues. Micromanagement has created operational bottlenecks, slowing down processes. Perhaps most critically, there is a struggle to balance client demands with employee well being, leading to burnout with the team. Thank you.
So hello everyone. I am Ali Anwar, and We all four are going to tackle the challenges at Amazon: overworked staff, low morale, and leadership gaps, and propose actionable solutions. Here's how we'll break it down. Deteriorating funds performance will be addressed by Maruthi Yadav. Overworked and exhausted staff will be covered by Annie DOCILLIN. Low morale and team dynamics will be discussed by Prateek Kumar. Finally, evolution and leadership will be explored by me, Alinder. So together we all present solutions to help Amazon become a workplace that balances performance and employee well-being. Let's begin. So Maruthi, can you just
Certain. Thank you. Uh, let's look at deteriorating fund performance. I propose solutions such as strengthening investment analysis and risk management, reducing the number of stock positions, enhancing the macroeconomic analysis, and structured decision-making process to analyze the market.
So, overworked and exhausted staff, which is delegate responsibilities, and you also have to think about the higher additional analysis, where it's one of the proposed solutions to these problems. Implement work-life balance initiatives, also sustainable work culture.
Represent a reward contribution, encourage positivity and well-being.
okay? So finally, evolution and leadership. Uh, as you know, my name is Ali Anwar, and I want to talk about some key challenges as we see in the Leslie Brinkman case study and how we can solve them. These challenges are common in fast-growing companies, and they can also slow down if we don't address them. Let's break them down one by one and talk about what we can do. So the first challenge is slow down fund growth. This means a company isn't bringing in money as fact as it needs to. Growth requires investment, whether it's hiring new people, launching new products, and or entering new markets. But if the money isn't coming in, it's very hard to keep growing. So how do we fix this? Here are few ideas. Focus on high profit tech projects. Let's invest in projects that brings in the most money. This way we can grow without stretching our budget too thin. Cut unnecessary costs. And next, exploring funding options. So by improving fund growth, we'll have the resources we need to keep growing and take advantages to new opportunities. Second one is streamline operations and improve efficiency. The second challenge is messy operations. As the company grows, things start to get complicated. That worked before don't work anymore. Teams are struggling to keep up. Mistakes are happening more often. This involves everything down and waste time and money. So how we fix this? Here are the s- here are Here's what we can do: automate repetitive tasks, review processes, set clear goals. Third one is invest in training and development. Third challenges is team development. A company is only as strong as its team. Right now, the team is struggling to keep up with the fast growth. Employees need new skills and handle bigger roles and new challenges. So how we fix this part? Like we can train employees, we can encourage teamwork, we can hire right peoples. The fourth one is evaluation leadership. The fourth challenge is leadership. As the company grows, leaders need to grow too. Right now, is spending too much Leslie is spending too much on day-to-day tasks and not enough time on a big picture goals. The This is a common problem in fast-growing companies. So how we can fix this problem? We can get some delegate tasks, hire, promote leaders, use technologies, tools like project management software can help teams stay organized without Leslie having to step in all the time. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Alan. Let's look at the recommendations. Recommendation and the justification of the solution which we think is the best. The best solution for Leslie is to establish a tiered leadership structure by creating a middle management layer. This will allow her to delegate responsibilities, reduce decision-making bottlenecks, and improve overall efficiency. Given the rapid growth of Versutia Capital, from 6 employees in 2003 to 12 in 2005, and over $1 billion in assets under management, Leslie can no longer effectively manage every aspect of the business alone. Delegating responsibilities to senior team members will ease the workload and enhance the team morale. Why do we think this is the best solutions? Here are a few reasons. It alleviates the decision-making overload. Leslie currently oversees all employees directly, which creates bottlenecks in decision-making. With 74 investment positions and a team of 12, she cannot give each analyst and staff the attention they need. A middle management layer would distribute these responsibilities while allowing team leader to handle day-to-day decision-making and also focusing on strategy and investor relation. Improves employee morale and retention. Employees feel overworked and undervalued, as seen in Wilson's reaction to being scolded and ignored after a stock loss. A clear reporting structure ensures that employees receive guidance and feedback consistently, rather than waiting for Leslie's availability or fearing her unpredictable actions. Enhances investment decision quality. Rapid growth has led to many stock positions, that is 74 in this case, making it difficult to monitor each one thoroughly. Senior analysts oversee each one thoroughly if they have industry-specific teams with better focused research, better investment decisions, and reducing costly mistakes. It frees up Leslie's time for strategic priorities. Leslie is stretched thin between investment decisions, staff management, investor relations, and operations. By appointing senior team members to handle operations and risk management, she can focus on the big picture, that is strategy, risk management, and client relationships, which are critical for Versucia's long-term success. How does this solution solve Leslie's dilemma? By creating a leadership hierarchy, Leslie can reduce stress and avoid burnout by sharing responsibilities, strengthen the team morale by offering clear career progression, improve investment performance through better focus on key stocks, ensure that Versucia remains competitive in a demanding hedge fund industry. This structured approach will address all 4 major problems like investment, performance, workload, morale, and leadership, ensuring long-term stability and success for Versucia Capital. Now my colleague Prateek will take over.
Thank you, Maruti, for sharing your thoughts over recommendation and conclusions. So, for now, let's conclude our presentation now in the basis of like how Leslie Brinkman has poured everything into making Vasuchia Capital a leading name in hedge fund industry. So her hard work really paid off within the early success, but soon after, as we can see, that cracks started to appear. So, particularly in how she led her team, while it wouldn't be fair to place all the blame on Leslie. So, let's take a closer look to shows that many of the key issues stem from her leadership style. So, to get Vasuchia back on track, Leslie need to shift her focus inward by improving how she manages herself or through honest self-reflection or taking guidance or taking ownership of her own actions and being open to the guidance so that she can create a positive change in the company needs. So her mentor, like we can see also, her mentors also gave her some valuable advice, like in the recommendation as well. We have also seen some major topics. So, according to that, reminding her that while ambition and dedication are critical, but it is also important to find balance and not to work on becoming everything. By taking a step back, listening to her team, and adjusting a leadership approach, Leslie can lead Versitua to a very long-term success. So, as we conclude our analysis of Leslie Brinkman at Vasucha Capital, so it is very clear that leadership, organizational structure, and strategic decision making are very crucial to a firm's success or a company's business growth. So Leslie faced many challenges or many encounters while or through scaling a company while maintaining the efficiency as well as the team morale. And our analysis has highlighted the core issues, explored solutions, and some recommendations as well. And also to navigate these challenges effectively, basically. So this case reinforces the importance of balancing workload and ensuring that company growth does not come to at the expense of internal stability. Through our coursework, we have gained a valuable insight into managing organizational dynamic, and this case study has also allowed us to apply those concepts into the real world scenario. So we appreciate your time and patience. Thank you for listening to us. Have a good day to everyone.